So you are ready to obtain your CPL here in the state of Michigan, but you're not sure as to things that have happened in your past, whether those things will prevent you from obtaining that concealed pistol license. That's what we're talking about here today. Hello everyone, my name is Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC, and today we're looking at felony convictions here in the state of Michigan that will prevent you from obtaining a CPL. Now, this post and this topic is relatively short because Michigan law says that if you have been convicted of a felony, you will be prevented from obtaining a CPL. However, we're going to look at a pro tip or a think like a lawyer tip here in a second that will help you make a distinction. The other thing that will prohibit an individual from obtaining their CPL here in the state of Michigan is being dishonorably discharged from the armed forces. Now, I recognize that being dishonorably discharged is not necessarily a felony by any means, but I'm just looking at specific things that tie in to what Michigan law says will prohibit or prevent an individual from obtaining their CPL. Now, let's look at that think like a lawyer tip. So, being charged with a crime and being convicted of a crime are two different things, and one should not mix or mingle the two. So let's look at an example. Let's say Mr. Wesson was charged with a felony, but the judge gave him a delayed sentence. And under the delayed sentence statutes here in Michigan, many of them in general will say something to the effect that if an individual successfully completes probation or parole or the terms imposed by the court, they should not be treated as being convicted of that original charge. So that's good news for anyone who may have completed their probation successfully under one of these delayed sentence statutes, because then they still may be eligible, that individual may be eligible to obtain their CPL without jumping through too many hoops. If you would like to obtain more information on how a delayed sentence affects your rights to own or possess a firearm, you can click on the link at the bottom of today's post, and it will take you to another post that we made talking about that very topic. If you support the Second Amendment, please hit the like button, leave us a comment below, share this video, consider subscribing, and thanks again for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time. If you like these case updates and our other informational posts that we make, head on over to our website, radzwionlaw.com, and as soon as the homepage loads, our Never Miss Another Post box will pop up. If you enter your email address here and click the I Want to Receive Updates box, then the subscribe box, you will have a link sent to your email inbox every time that we do a case update or another post. This is the most sure and effective way to see our content, and some of which may be exclusive content, rather than looking for it on our social media or waiting for that social media notification to come through.